Want to create a video quickly and easily? Clipchamp gives you simple tools for combining videos, images, text, music, and effects into one finished project. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a video in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp on your Windows computer. From the home screen, choose the option to create a new video. This will open the editing workspace where you can build your project. Next, select Import Media and choose the videos, photos, or audio files you want to include. Your files will appear in the media library, ready to add to the project. Now drag your media from the library onto the timeline. Arrange the clips in the order you want them to play. You can move, shorten, or rearrange clips at any time. Select a clip to access editing tools. Trim unwanted sections by dragging the edges, or use Split to divide a clip into smaller parts. Delete anything you don't want in the final video. To make your video more engaging, add titles or captions from the text section. You can adjust their style, position, and timing, then add transitions between clips when needed. Keep your design simple and easy to follow. Next, add background music or other audio. Place the audio on the timeline and adjust its volume so it doesn't overpower your main voice or video sounds. You can also trim the audio to fit your project. Finally, preview the entire video and check the timing, text, transitions, and audio. When you're satisfied, select Export, choose the available quality you need, and wait for Clipchamp to create your finished video. And that's how to create a video in Clipchamp in 2026. Import your media, edit your clips, add text and audio, preview your project, and export the final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.